In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the rear parking shoes on your Subaru Outback. Let's get started. Using a 19mm socket, remove the 5 lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Break the caliper bracket bolts free using a 14mm socket. Remove the bolts. Pull the caliper bracket assembly up and off. I'm going to set it on top of the upper control arm. Remove the rotor. If you're struggling to remove the rotor and it's super tight, use a flat blade screwdriver through the access hole and push up and shrink down this adjuster wheel. This will pull the shoes in and make it easier to pull the rotor off. Using a drum brake tool kit, we're going to remove these top 2 springs. If you don't have a drum brake tool kit, you can use a right angle pick. We're going to remove the little spacer. Remove the bottom spring. Remove the adjuster wheel. Remove the spacer at the top. I'm going to put one finger on the back of this pin. As I do that, I'm going to use this tool and push down on this, unlock it, and then we're going to twist it. If you don't have this tool, you can use a pair of pliers and go on the outside and push down. Remove the top cap, the spring will pop off. Remove the shoe, and you're left with the pin. Do the same thing on the other side. We're going to remove the horseshoe clip. We're going to spin this down so it's accessible to us. Using our pliers, we're going to put this top jaw on this pin. We're going to use this lower jaw, and we're going to push the clip up. Once you get the clip mostly off, or at least a big enough space to get a flat blade screwdriver in the back, put it in the back and twist it. Pop the clip off. There is a little spring washer under that horseshoe clip. This is the spring washer that sits under this horseshoe clip. Remove both. Remove the shoe. Using a wire wheel, we're going to clean the 3 contact points for the shoe on either side. Put a light skim coat of grease on all of the contact points. Install the shoe onto the bracket. Install the spring clip. Install the horseshoe clip. Install the horseshoe clip. I'm going to use the same pair of pliers to snug it down. Pinch the 2 ends together. Just like that. Twist the shoe up. Twist the bracket backwards. We're going to push this up against the backing plate We're going to get our pin through the hole on the shoe. Install the spring and the locking cup. Push down, quarter twist, lock it into place. Do the same thing on the other side. Install the top shim. Remove the adjuster out of the adjuster assembly. I'm going to put just a skim coat of grease on this and then put it back together. Screw it all the way down. Install the adjuster. Make sure that top plate is still lined up. Install the bracket on top. Install the lower spring. Install the top two springs. Install the rotor. You want your shoes adjusted so there's a very light skim as you rotate it. We're right there. If you need to adjust it, you'll use a flat blade screwdriver and push down. This will bring the shoes out. If you need to go back in, adjust it up and it'll pull the shoes back in. Grab the caliper assembly, install it onto the rotor. Get the bolt started. Torque the caliper bolts to 88 foot-pounds. Install the wheel. Get the lug nuts started. Snug the nuts down. Torque the lug nuts in a star pattern to 90 foot-pounds. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.